no.
Yes.
You are crazy because you are the one.
Who put it there?
You don't give it. You said, you just told me, remember?
Good morning, Philippines!
Is this against your will to do this? He's praying for now, guys. Make a wish. Stop playing with your ear. Okay, you lay it down like this, right? Word to word. Yeah. So now this won't fit because you add this piece.
Oh, that piece got plenty of room, that one.
Make sure that you don't post it to the freaking table. Gee.
Not long enough to the table. You missed that conversation.
There you go again. Being insulter. Yes, honey. Oh God, you're gonna ruin this counter.
How do you figure?
It's just wiggle a little bit. Just scratching it. Oh, look. How many things you need to do?
I want to make it secure.
It's weird, guys, right? He is a glass user, but every time he do something, he take off his glass.
Nearsighted. Oh, weird.
So, you are farsighted?
Nearsighted.
Nearsighted.
Means I can see close.
You can see close. You cannot see away?
Right.
So I don't want to go close to you.
Okay.
You can see my ugly face. You know that? All my ugliness. So we should like be a far distance. So it's nice to have a long distance relationship with you.
Hey, you look crazy.
You just called me crazy again?
Yes. Stop acting crazy. I stop calling you crazy.
Can you handle long distance relationship, Tommy?
No.
Can you explain why?
Because I don't think it's healthy.
It's unhealthy, right?
Right.
And it's not real. Yeah, it's different, guys. Different person, different perspective.
Okay, now I need to go.
Is that how you English it? Perspective?
Yeah. Now it's fine. Come on.
Me?
Come on.
Oh my God. Roxy's coming. He thought you're calling her. Did you experience long distance relationship?
No.
How about me and you?
Short time doesn't count.
Oh, long distance, that means it's like years far away?
Well, long distance is a distance, but for a short time, anything can survive a short time.
But why other people survive, huh?
Or do they? Or do they just pretend they don't know what's actually going on? Sorry.
What if I tell you I'm going back to the Philippines and be away from you for like 1 year?
I think it's a bad idea, but you already know that.
I won't leave him for a year, guys. I will leave him for 6 months. He said he cannot handle 1 year, so 6 months maybe it's okay. 6 months it is.
Sure.
You're gonna find somebody else, right?
More food here. Maybe a basement. What are these?
Come to the line. Guys, yung screen namin is line. Tommy said this is Keystone. Keystone, whatever. And time check, it is 3:28, so I don't care. No shopping for me. And we need a dinner. But yeah, it's a problem. The thing now is over there, and everything is a mess. Look. Look, it's not even.
You know, just out in a square, this straight.
Where the hell my backup?
Takot o takot.
Still.
Never mind.
Takot yan, guys. Kailangan pang i-adjust, guys, kasi hindi pa okay. Yun na, may movie na tayo. Ay.
Shopping, junk food,
My
I'd say you're a
screen.
bona fide earth.
The thing is not working. The light, the round thing. I think I have to throw it out.
What round thing?
That
Everything's a thing to you. Give me a name of it.
Christmas decoration. I will show you when you get here.
The wreath?
Yeah, it doesn't
The
work.
crystal one? He's not throwing it out.
Yes, it's not working.
You're not throwing it out. That's crystal wreath.
Ito guys, hindi siya gumagana.
Our identity is a secret.
Iniwan ko. Crystal man ito. Pero,
You know,
iwan ko parang
I didn't know your X-ray vision had kicked in.
it doesn't work. Keep talking, Tommy.
Keep going. Keep going all day.
Keep yapping the whole time.
I yap all day.
See?
Use the bathroom, and then you're gonna have to dig to the basement to find that.
How can I find it if I don't even know what you're talking about?
A little black box. This big, that tall, like that.
I don't even remember.
I know you don't remember.
Well, because you are the one doing it. God, kaluka to. Ako na naman ang ginablim nito. May binigay daw siya sa akin. And then, hindi ko daw alam kung saan ko na nilagay. Ito talaga si Tami no. Kapag may nawala, ako talaga yung ibiblim. Saka magluto pa ako ng dinner 4 o'clock na. Mag-grocery pa ako. Magluluto pa ako. Madali ang anuhin ko lang is mag-grocery kami. Sana umalis ako maaga kanina, uy. Kasi alam ko talaga pag andito si Tami. Wali talaga. What are you doing, Andy? What are you doing?
Hi, I'm back. What's me? What's me, hon?
You're right. Han, you put it over there and you're just looking something to blame.
You put it right in the box downstairs.
Stairs?
Right down, right in the basement. Right in the box. You see how sticky the remote is?
God, I can hear you from the basement.
Yeah.
It wasn't me. You just want to blame me.
Because you are always blaming me. I now I remember you said Han.
Oh, now you remember.
No. You don't.
After I find it, you remember.
No, you don't say it. You don't say that Han keep it. You said Han put it in the basement. That's it. Put it in the basement. That's what you did, and you don't say Han keep it because it's important. Let's go. Look at that.
I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, that can't be me. I don't know what you're talking about. You did it and you're trying to blame me. La, 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 la.
It's your fault, you know.
Blah, blah, blah.
You should have taken
Where's your phone?
It's right here. Something.
Blah, 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 blah. My name is Maryann. Blah, 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 blah.
You know how. I know why you. I know why you. I know why you try to blame me with that because you know.
Because what?
Because you know you did it.
Yeah, okay. I asked you about this a couple weeks ago, too. Because I wanted to clean that thing off when I bought that stuff.
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's going up again.
What are you doing?
I didn't do shit.
Can you close that, please?
Let it go down.
What's wrong with that? Never really go back up.
Yeah, well, sometimes it does. That's why you gotta watch for it. You drive away and it'll go back up.
Crazy, I forgot to put. We have to put that back on.
I noticed that when I got here. I was like, oh, she didn't even bring the garbage out.
Blah, 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 blah. I always do. Blah, 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 blah.
I always do.
I always do. Blah, blah, blah.
I always do.
Of course I do, hon.
Look on the other side.
I gotta be responsible for what I do plus what you do. How do you
Can
figure
I
that
just,
out?
Han?
All right, then I just say.
No.
Yes.
You are crazy because
I'm
you are
crazy.
the one.
Who put it there?
You don't give it. You said you just told me. Remember, give it to me in the house, but you never did in your Rochelle.
I didn't give it to you there. I gave it to you here. I took it out of my car when I was leaving. Said, "Oh, by the way, put this in the house. This is important." And I got because this is the media player, and I got the remote sticky. That why it was in a bag. And there was also a light for outdoor, like put on a fence or some crap. When I came and asked for it, you had no idea what I was talking about.
Always something. Hello,
Oh,
dear.
dear, how
Dear,
cute. Hey, he waggles at you.
Hi, dear.
He's waggling.
Hello, dear. Hi, dear.
He's so cute.
Dear. Come on, dear. I can feed you,
He was
dear.
afraid that you could come after him, see? Yeah, waggle, but he ran.
He wiggle like a freaking dog.
Yeah. Not too often you see them waggle a tail like that.
So cute. He's alone. He's so lonely, looking for food.
Because maybe his partner got killed by a car.
Oh, that's really sad.
It is very sad.
So sad. Oh God. And then this.
Really? You guys could be any hungrier?
Honey, this is crazy. That's it now. Dinner now. Dinner. It's dinner for them now. That's it. This is ridiculous.
Okay, first, wait. Roxy first. Misty second. Envelope start.
This is life, guys. The reality of my life.
And my little man.
The reality. Okay, all of you go away. This is my kitchen. Move. Move. Move.
You guys, the rest are getting your food. Okay? Yeah. Misty got cheated for one.
That's it. Move now, all of you.
Fine.
And can you just go away? And can you move over there? Dimples is hungry too.
Yeah, they're all hungry. That's it. No more. No more. Done.
Okay, now it's time for me to go. Dimples is hungry. Oh my God.
That's all, guys. You happy? You feel better? Yeah, they're like crazy.
Because you did that to them, honey, and that's it. They don't eat their dinner.
They didn't have enough to fill their belly up. Those cat happy. I don't have no more. That's it. You gotta get
The grocery, guys, we're ready to eat soon. Hello guys, tapos na kaming kumain kanina lang, and ngayon mag-ano lang ako, parang ano sa dining, linis. Hindi lang ako maglilinis, guys, kasi hindi pa pwede, kasi andito pa yung asawa natin. Hi guys, dumating si Lou. So may bisita kami for dumating siya dito. So yun, anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Andito si Tami sa labas. Anyway guys, i-end ko na tong vlog, and thank you all guys so much for watching. Ang dumi pa sa bahay, hindi ko pa na pumunta si Lou, and din ang dami kong hindi pa nalilinis dito guys. Ang dami pang mga gamit, kasi doon ako sa labas kanina, alam mo, iniwan ko yung bahay unlock, yung front door namin, hindi ko na lock. Umalis kami kanina. Kaloka naman ito. Tago natin itong si mask. Thank you guys so much for watching, ha? And we will see you na lang tomorrow. Meron kaming party bukas. Kami lang guys. Kami lang pala. Kami lang.